Well, it is Thursday, and I was in court this morning representing a client in Philadelphia. We are doing, once again, live appearances back in Philadelphia, and that's a good thing, along with the other counties. That said, tomorrow I'll be doing another live court appearance. It's always good in Reading, Pennsylvania, in Berks County Court of Common Pleas, representing a client for a motion to suppress in a fairly serious gun case there in Berks County. The weekend is coming up very quick. It starts tomorrow, and like every Friday, we'll be coming out with our weekly update, which goes out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. This week and next week, we'll be focusing a lot on the spring season. Like many of us know, spring is coming up. I believe it starts next weekend. This weekend, we do turn the clocks forward, so lots of changing going on. The days are getting longer, and people will be going out. A lot of states, including New Jersey and Pennsylvania, are relaxing the restrictions. I think this week, New Jersey actually increased the indoor dining from 35% to 50%. And a lot of the sports arenas now will have fans for opening day. In baseball, I know in Philadelphia Citizens Bank, I believe they're going to do 20% of the capacity, which is approximately 8,000 people or so. So all good signs that we're coming out of this pandemic. With the weekend coming up, we know it's the busiest time for our law firm. And one of the articles that I put out this week, and which will be in our free weekly update, which you can subscribe to at gambonelaw.com, talks about getting rid of household items, including your guns. Now remember, a gun is not a normal household item. A gun is a very regulated piece of equipment, much like an automobile. And just like you can be arrested for DUI or DWI with a car, you have to be careful what you do with that firearm. You just can't give it away. In Pennsylvania and New Jersey, there are very clear guidelines of how to transfer a gun, even to a person in your family. Just don't go out and definitely don't go out and just dump a gun in a trash can and forget about it. That is not the way to do it. And that article speaks about that. Even if your law enforcement talks about checking out the local laws if you are traveling and if you have the ability to carry out of state in Pennsylvania or New Jersey. So if you have questions about traveling in and out of Pennsylvania, or DUI or DWI or drug possession or a gun charge, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Gambonelaw.com is the website. You can sign up for our free weekly update. It's a great resource for you and your family going into the weekend. Remember, if you are stopped by police, warrantless searches, once again, are illegal in Pennsylvania, but that doesn't mean it's the opportunity for you to fight with the officer or engage in the officer. Just be polite, be respectful. If the officer is going to arrest you, let him or her do so, and then fight it out with your attorney after that. Do not make the situation work. Do not escalate the situation by fighting with the officer. They are simply not interested in doing that and will only make your case worse. It could lead to additional charges like resisting arrest, aggravated assault of a police officer, which is a very, very serious charge. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI, do not refuse the chemical test, whether it be a blood test or a breathalyzer test. Take the test and again, fight the case after that. But again, if you have questions, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com. I wish you all a great Thursday, a great weekend, and I will talk to you all very soon.